CCH Tagetik has given us the tools and the power to look at information much more clearly than we've ever been able to before. It's changed the game for us in terms of what we can do in terms of collecting data, planning, budgeting, forecasting. We're able to do our consolidation much more quickly and efficiently than we were before. Our data is more accurate, more reliable. People all over the business are using it in their day-to-day. And with all the power that comes with Tagetik and the information that it provides, we've just got limitless options in terms of making better decisions and planning. The key game changer for our business has been the time saving. We were able to give a lot of our users time back in their monthly cycles in particular. We're able to report a lot faster. The board gets the numbers quicker than they've done before. They are able to see and gain new insights. We've been able to deploy across our full group. We're able to analyze our balance sheet, plan for cash flow forecasting and whatnot. It's been brilliant. CCH Tagetik is really user-friendly. It's intuitive, the user interfaces are clean, the dashboards are easy to use and navigate. Our users don't need a lot of training. It's quick to build and deploy with Tagetik. We don't need tremendous levels of expertise or planning. It's a user-friendly tool, and that's probably something that I'd tell people who haven't used it before.